Welcome in science class, beta. And in previous video we have done these questions and you have done your work very well. So today we will do the rest of the questions, and before that we will do again revision of these three questions which you have done already in your note. So let's see. What was the question number 1, beta? The question number 1 was define food chain with an example. What is food chain? A chain showing dependence of living things on each other for food is called food chain. Okay, in this answer we have to write example also. We have to give one example also. What is example? Plants are eaten by deer. Deer is eaten by lion. So this is example of food chain. What was question number 2 which you have done? What kind of teeth herbivores have? Herbivores have sharp, flat, broad and strong teeth to cut and chew the grass well. So which kind of teeth herbivores have? Herbivores have sharp, flat, broad and strong teeth to cut and chew the grass well. Now what was the third question? Third question was, why do animals need food? So what was the answer? Animals need food to get energy and to live and grow. This was the third answer. Okay, animals need food to get energy and to live and grow. Number 4. What is the difference between a herbivore and a carnivore? Give examples of each types. What is question, beta? Question is, what is the difference between a herbivore and a carnivore? Give examples of each types. You have to explain about herbivorous animals and you have to explain about carnivorous animals with their examples. Okay, you know very well about herbivorous, carnivorous and omnivorous. But here in this question you have to write the difference between herbivorous animals and carnivorous animals. So let's write. What are herbivorous animals? Animals that eat only plants or parts of plants are called herbivores. What are herbivorous animals? Animals that eat only plants or parts of plant are called as herbivorous animals. And here you have to explain this with examples. So now we will write the example of herbivorous animals. You know very well which animal eat only grass? Cow, buffalo, goat. There are many animals. So these are herbivorous animals. Okay, you can write giraffe also, you can write zebra also, deer also. There are many examples who are eating only plants. So here I am writing only these three. You can write according to your choice also. So these are herbivorous animals. Now we will explain about carnivorous animals. animals that eat only flesh of other animals are called carnivores. What are carnivores? Animals that eat only flesh of other animals are called carnivores. Okay? And what are the example of carnivores? Lion, cheetah, tiger. In this way, you can see, say there are many animals who are eating only flesh. Crocodile and bull, fox. There are many animals who are eating only flesh. Here I am writing only these three. You can write according to your choice also in example. So again, we will see this answer. What was the question? What is the difference between a herbivore and a carnivore? Give examples of each type. What are herbivores and what are carnivores? Herbivores, animals that eat only plants or parts of plant are called as herbivores. What are the examples? Cow, buffalo, goat are the examples of herbivorous animals. Carnivorous animals, animals that eat only flesh of other animals are called as carnivores. What are examples? Lion, cheetah and tiger, they are examples of carnivorous animals. Now question number 5. Why and how do we take care of domestic animals? What is question? Why and how? See, you are looking here, there are two questions. You have to answer this also and you have to answer this also. So maybe this answer can be bigger, but this is very easy, you can write. So you have to understand it first. Question is, why and how do we take care of domestic animals? Why means हमें क्यों करनी चाहिए take care domestic animals की? And second question is, how can we take care of domestic animals? हमें domestic animals को आप कैसे take care कर सकते हो? So both answers you have to give in this question. What is answer? We should take care of domestic animals because you know very well wherever the question is related to why, so always we should start our answer with because. We should take care of domestic animals because they are useful to us. हमें डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स की टेक केयर क्यों करनी चाहिए? We should take care of domestic animals because they are useful to us, because they are they are helpful in many ways. So they are very useful to us. So that's why we should take care of domestic animals. Now this answer completed. Why should we take care of domestic animals? Your answer, first answer is completed. We should take care of domestic animals because they are useful to us. So, and now here I am explaining how they are useful to us, beta. First of all, I have explained you what are domestic animals. Domestic animals means Animals that live with us in our homes, they are called as domestic animals. And domestic animals are very useful. How they are useful? Because cow gives us milk. Buffalo is a domestic because buffalo also gives us milk. And there are many animals. Dog basically we keep, but dog as a pet animal. Okay. And dog guards are us. Okay. So there are many animals who are just we are keeping in our homes and they are useful to us. Okay. Now we will answer the second question. How do we take care of domestic animals? हम कैसे take care कर सकते हैं? So we will write this answer. We can take care of domestic animals by following some ways. We are giving some ways by which we can take care of domestic animals. What we can do? The first point, give them proper food and clean water. We should give them proper food and water to drink, because if we will not give them food, beta, we will not give them water. So you know very well they also need food to get energy. If they will not get food, they will not get water, so maybe they can die. For surviving on the earth, we need these two things. They are very, very must. Okay. Next, what should we do? Clean their shelters regularly. Clean their shelter regularly. What is the meaning of this line? Clean their shelter regularly. Shelter means the place in which they are living, their home, their place. वो जहाँ रह रहे हैं, we should clean their place. Regularly means always, on everyday basis. Like we are just cleaning our home also every day. So we should keep their place also clean on regular basis. Okay, so clean their shelter regularly. Third point, give them proper bath. We are also taking bath every day, so we just try to give them also proper bath, because if they would not be clean, so they can have many diseases. So it is very, very important to clean their body also. Okay, so we should give them proper bath. Next and last, visit to a veterinary doctor if they are sick. Visit to a veterinary doctor if they are sick. You should always move to the veterinary doctor if your domestic animal is not well. अगर आपका domestic animal, whether it is a dog, cow or buffalo, so you should call a veterinary doctor. What do you mean by veterinary doctor? Or a doctor who treats the sick animal. Okay? ये एक ऐसा डॉक्टर होता है जो animals को क्योर करता है. Who treats the sick animal, that is called as veterinary doctor. So we should go to the veterinary doctor if your animal is sick, if your domestic animal is sick, if they are sick. Okay, so again we will see this answer. We should take care of domestic animals because they are useful to us. Okay, this is first answer completed. Now second question, how should we take care of domestic animal? We can take care of domestic animals by following some ways. What are these? Give them proper food and clean water. Clean their shelter regularly. Give them proper bath. Visit to a veterinary doctor if they are sick. So thank you.